women are scorpions. They are vampires. They are blood-sucking animals.
Ah! Baby. See your leg, baby.
See your leg.
What?
Ah!
Oh, Billy! What did you mean of that?
Hey now, babe. Enodu is the one that said your money is missing. So you have to search him very well before you leave this place now.
So you have to search him that way?
And, babe, we have to search him very well. Are you trusting this guy? The money lost last week. This week again. The one you just kept maybe 3 days ago, it's missing.
So because my money got missing, that is the reason why you are searching him that way?
Babe, I know you will not be able to search him. That's why I'm helping you.
See, is that searching? Is that what you call searching? Is that not romancing?
Romance, this. See, let me even go inside and bring it. He has one of his bag inside before he leaves. Let me go and bring one of his bag and let's check inside. I don't trust this guy. Look at his face. I'm coming. Babe, see, let's check this bag. I don't trust him. Hold it. Hold it very well. I don't trust this boy.
It's nothing.
Shut up!
Nothing in my bag.
Keep quiet. You are a thief. I don't trust you. That is not what I see here. Hey! Babe, you lost your money. What? How did you get it? How did this money get into your bag? I told you he's a thief. Yes, you trust him. See.
How did you know that this? How did you know? Wait, listen. How did you know that this money is there? Is in his bag.
What?
Oh, you think I don't know what is happening? What is going on? I know what is going on. See, I know what you did. I know what you did. I know what you are doing. See, I saw you the other day when you were trying to molest him.
Madam, please, Madam, it's here.
Come here, Joe.
I beg.
You don't need to be sleeping.
You like him. You want him to yourself. The whole thing is that, thank God, we are not married. Thank God we are not married yet. We are just dating. Just much. This is the end of it all.
I'm sorry.
You are sorry.
I'm sorry.
You are
sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry, please.
Oh, put the money back.
Put it back. I'm going to put them back.
Will you keep quiet there? Put it back.
I'm sorry. It will never repeat itself, I promise.
It will never repeat itself?
Yes.
Don't worry, in your mother's house.
I know now, I'm sorry now.
No, in your mother's house, you know if it will repeat itself or not.
Please.
Yeah, go and move your things and leave my house.
Babe, now, please.
I said go and pack your things and leave my house. I know you want him to leave before that. Oh, you even brought his bag out. Oh, you want to go inside and bring the other things. I know what you are planning.
I'm sorry, babe.
I won't sack him. I would have said let me sack him now so that you just join him so that both of you go and
I will
continue.
never come to inside.
I know, don't worry. When you get to your mother's house, you can explain that to them. Go on, leave your things.
No, please.
I tell you. And you, I have been seeing everything that has been happening in this house. I know everything. You don't even know I have cameras. I have cameras in this house, but you don't know. I've been seeing how she has been trying to, molest you. She wants you, but just be thankful to your God. Remember being a good boy that you are.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Come, take your thing.
Thank you, Jesus.